Hello again, it's Noob, and well, this is a super short midweek video. I always get a bit kind of like midweek, and I just thought I'd cheer myself up by showing off some of the things I've got in the post, some things which I bought myself, some things which I've been given, and one thing which is really awesome from a friend of my eldest son's. Anyway, we'll get there. So let's move all this away and just look at this. I saw this on UK eBay. It's clearly an aluminium pinning tray. I can't remember what they're advertised as, somewhere just north of £20, £20-25, something like that. I think it depends on what it is. There's 3D printed versions as well, but I like this aluminium feel to the tray. It just looked kind of nice. I have my, obviously, 3D printed ones, and this was 3D printed by a subscriber, and that's really awesome. For me, based on my designs, which are on Thingiverse. I've got links below in the description. But this one just appealed to me, and I thought, well, why not? What I did do was I put a, this cost me all of 50 pence, about 60 US cents. You probably get it cheaper if you bought it in bulk. Just felt backing so that it is a bit kind of nicer and less scratchy on my hard backdrop surface here. But I kind of like it, so much so what I'll do is I'll leave a link below to the eBay seller, and if you're interested you could go take a look. It's pretty nice, I think. Next up is this unassuming little package. I had no idea when this came through the post at all. It's like, what? Then I opened it up and I was like, did I order a keychain? I mean, I ordered some stuff for sure, and then I looked here and it all made sense. Look at that, XB Mods Locksport. Now if you don't know XB Mods, again, you really should go check out their Instagram, because honestly, just one of the most amazing lockpick makers out there. Just gorgeous stuff. And what it looks like, got this little almost credit card size pinning tray, which is really lovely. Put that there for you. A really nice sticker which will go on my pick box. I'll have this box which is way too small now, which has a load of pick sets in it, and that's where I keep all my stickers. It looks great. So there's that, and this. Now this, look at this, right? Look at this. I had no idea what was in here, but look. I mean, that's pretty cool as it is, right? Now check this out. If I can get it to work, is USB rechargeable. Ah, there we go. Let's turn some lights off. And maybe you can see it a little bit better. Isn't that so cool? Completely by surprise. Did not expect that. That is just like one of the most awesome little surprise gifts I've ever received. So thank you so much, XB Mods. Really appreciate it. It's so cool, isn't it? Look at that. Right, let's get some lighting back on here. Once again, you'll see a bit of behind the scenes magic there as all my various diffused lighting comes back online. There you go. Isn't that really awesome? Absolutely love it. So that's just going to go just hanging up there in my office, and that is just amazing. Really lovely little gift, that, because it's completely unexpected and really quite wonderful. Absolutely love it. Right, I'll save the best till last, and I mean that. Absolutely. And I just want to show you this. I splurged on a load of stuff from Grim Workshop. So if you don't know, please go check out their website. I love this stuff. Okay, look, I admit, I'd like sort of survivally, tactically stuff secretly. All right, and I don't mind. And Grim Workshop do some amazing kind of stuff. For my side channel, I might have a look at some of the more survival type stuff, which is their main focus. They've got these credit card sets, but like this, but it has like fish hook spears, sutures, needles. I mean, it's all sorts of things, and pretty good value actually. What I would say straight away, what I do like is their website was easy to navigate, and their postage options were brilliant, and it got here guaranteed and delivered perfectly. So yeah, so far so good. But what did I get? Well, I decided to get a load of stuff. All of the lock related stuff. I mean, the majority of this stuff is not lock related stuff, but I thought I'd got all of the lock related stuff, and then I could do 3 sets of reviews. So one will be on their credit card type things. Okay, so the credit card size emergency sets. This one looks like a door access card type thing made out of what appears to be a like a credit card type material. And then you've got some stainless steel, I'm assuming lockpick cards. Let's not dwell on them too long because I've got to get some review videos out of it. It's all about grabbing the content, isn't it? Then we've got these really cool like micro tools, and I've got the 3 there which encompasses all of them. So I think that there's in total about 6 tools with some overlap, and they're all here. So this is like a set of 3 and then the other 2. So that's kind of cool. Gives a good overview of what you get. Again, just the styling, the packaging here. I mean, it looks great. I don't know what they're going to be like to use, but it looks great. And then I've got all the dog tag type ones. And apparently you can layer these up under each other and or carry them, so it looks kind of cool. And again, I've got these lockpicking dog tags. I have a feeling that the usability is going to be somewhat mixed depending on which ones you get. But, well, you know me, I'm always fair in my reviews, so we'll look at the pros, we'll look at the cons, look at the prices, and then, as ever, I'll leave it to you to decide whether you think that's worth your money. But so far, first impressions, they look pretty good. And yeah, go check out their website if you're into sort of survivally type stuff like me. Right, last but not least, so this is upcoming, it's like an insight to upcoming reviews. And last but not least, this is, I've folded it across so you can't see their name, but this is from a good friend of my eldest son who goes to primary school. Is that kindergarten in the US? I don't know the ages. But I haven't actually looked inside here. It just says, to Ash, I hope you enjoy, and then a name. So we'll just tear this off. And this apparently was found, and because they know that I like locks, they found this one for me, which is really, really awesome. So isn't that really nice? You know, out of all things, somebody to, you know that I like locks and find one, then send one to me. These ones, I think that they operate via a spring latch mechanism. I don't know whether we can manipulate it just using tweezers. Sometimes you can, as long as you put something in there which will sort of basically twist push apart 2 wires. It can work. You just sort of need to get in there and find it. Might not be able to quickly manipulate this right now, but I'll try. There we go, got it. Open. So I've looked at these before, and you find these a lot on like those knockoff themed padlocks in the shape of Daffy Duck's head or whatever it is, and various other small ones. If you look down the keyway, let's get a light in there, you might be able to just see. Yeah, you can. So you see this little spring bit. Oh, it's gonna focus on. You see just in there's this little bar that runs across. You can see that there's the warding. There's this little bar here. That's like a piece of spring, I guess, wire, and you just need to push it apart. And that's exactly what this tip here does. It's basically a warded lock, and it literally just splays apart the wire, which blocks in the keyway, and then you're allowed. Then it basically opens up the lock. So it's very, very cool. And let's just see it working with the key, shall we? Yeah, there we go. And you can feel it sort of push that sort of wire apart as you turn it. So yeah, thank you so much for sending that. Really, really appreciate it. So there you go. Have I been having great fun sort of shopping and getting all these lovely little gifts. Really appreciate it. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for watching this lovely little short video. And of course, I'll see you all next time for a proper lockpicking vid later.